Here's 5 useful tips for rigging in Blender. In edit mode, by default, the bone will rotate from the center. If we go up to transform pivot point and set it to active element, the bone will now rotate from the head. With the armature selected in the properties panel, I can set the viewport display to in front. I can set the display as dropdown to wire. Now I can actually see what I'm doing when I edit the rig. In edit mode, with the tip of a bone selected, I can control right click to extrude a bone to my mouse position. For weight painting, if I select the armature first, then my mesh, and go into weight paint mode, I can alt click bones to see the weights for each bone. I can also press R to rotate the bones and adjust the weights. To reset the bone rotation, I can select all the bones and press Alt R. If I have a character with something like a tail, I can set the cursor to the base of the tail. Then I can extrude out a bone, disconnect it from its parent, and snap it to the cursor. Then I can use snapping to move the tail of the bone to the tip of the tail. With the bone selected, I can right-click and subdivide, then Shift-R to repeat the subdivision to get evenly spaced bones.